morning, guys. This is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey, standing in front of our 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Let's take a quick look. We have a white hull color with the black sports arch, bimini. This boat is equipped with a MerCruiser 6.2. See down below, Bravo 3 drive. Gives you great maneuverability around the dock. Stepping onto the boat underneath the swim platform, we're going to have a boarding ladder on the starboard side and a manual swim step. Great fun getting on off the boat that way as well when you're hanging out. At the back of the boat on the sun pad here, we have two different configurations. Obviously, we can sit like this when the boat's underway and you're running, but we're not. We're shouldered up. We can kind of hang out right here. Big access. Two 12 volts on both sides with cup holders. And then in the back here, we have a big storage compartment that goes all the way back. Stepping into the boat. Again, here we have our cockpit door. Close it off, maybe if you have small dogs. And our battery switch is in a nice spot right there. Dune interior color with the infinity woven flooring throughout. Right, we're gonna have, I believe, two. We're gonna have a cockpit table and a bow table in there. The bracket for it is right there. Some different configurations with the seats. We can fold this forward, and we can fold our driver's seat forward as well, just giving you that much more space in the cockpit. At the helm, we're gonna have our SIMRAD display with our Fusion stereo remote. All of our switching, another cup holder with another bolster here as well, so you can kind of sit up, see over the windshield. Great visibility in the 250 SDX. In the head compartment, you have a lot of room there. Certain options, you can have a filler cushion in there, so you can kind of turn that into a little pad for children maybe if they want to get out of the sun. Up in the bow, a plethora of seating up here in the front. Just tons and tons of room to sit. Another bracket here for a table. Cooler as well. And then both on port and starboard, these are both insulated as well, so you can put some drinks in there. We're gonna have anchor locker and then a nice forward-facing beach ladder with sprayer right next to it. All right, guys, again, this is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any other boat, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.